Alright guys, the final part now, reassembly of the manifold. Make sure everything's clean. And we're gonna pop it back in, same way we removed it. Line it all up, new gaskets in place, foam in place. These two tabs, we gotta put these two bolts in there. And then these bolts here, gotta go in those tabs over there. And then line it up in the middle. So I'm gonna start with that end first, and then pop it in there. Feels good. Gonna line up these two bolts in here first. There we go. Both of these popped in. Now I'm gonna make sure I'm in the brackets here. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Pop my bolts in. These three are already in here. I just gotta get these back in. Now just screw everything down. Simple. And you are only torquing these down to 8 foot-pounds, so don't use power tools because you crack your housing and then you got some real expenses. So I'll just get it all in place first, then I'll torque it down. One in here, one in there, two nuts in here, two nuts in here, and that should be it. I'll show you guys everything once done. It was an 8, guys. It wasn't. So guys, it's not 7, it's 8. Don't forget the one in the back here. All right, guys, manifold reinstalled. Now we're ready for the intake. Let me just show you. So these two bolts, 1, 2, 3 in here. 2 nuts back there that we originally removed. Remember to reconnect that hose right there that we removed. You gotta plug in that little switch back there. You gotta pop this hose back in that leads from this piece that we tucked away. You gotta clip this one back in here. This is for the intake. We're gonna connect that later for that sensor. This is gonna slide onto the intake here. I'm gonna reconnect that later. It sits like this. Don't forget, we still got to put a filter in here. And then the 2 nuts here, the one here and the one back there. And don't forget to tighten down the 13mm bracket on the bottom as well. This is going to the intake. So that's about it. Manifold reinstalled. Let's get the intake back on and test it out. Alrighty, let's reconnect this. Alrighty, let's reconnect the intake now. Watch the cable here. Let's slide that right on. Watch these. I gotta slide in here. Okay. This will snap in here. Slide that on. Okay. 8mm bolt, tighten that down. Put in the sensor. Make sure this is on here, all good. Alrighty. Now we can get our filter on. Get our box on. Like this. That up. Connect this hose back here. That's really it. Get our filter in, and we are almost there, guys. It works, guys. So that's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. Any comments, feedback, let me know. Please share any other tips you have for me and others. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe and follow.